Hey, so if you use Booking.com regularly and want to save more money on hotels and travel, yeah, there are several ways to unlock discounts and special deals. In this guide, I'll show you how to get Booking.com discounts step by step in 2026. First, create a free Booking.com account because many discounts are only available to signed-in users. Booking.com offers a loyalty program called Genius that gives discounts, free upgrades, and extra perks. Some hotels offer cheaper prices directly through the Booking.com mobile app. Booking hotels early often gives you lower prices before rates increase closer to travel dates. Sometimes last-minute bookings also have major discounts when hotels want to fill empty rooms. Changing your travel dates by a day or two can reveal cheaper hotel rates. Use filters and sort options to find discounted hotels faster. Hotels outside busy tourist areas are often much cheaper. Free cancellation lets you rebook later if prices drop even more. And yeah, that's it. Using these tips can help you save a lot more money with Booking.com discounts and travel deals.